Have you ever wondered how some people are able to afford to travel so often, or to change their car every year, or to put their kids in some really nice schools without breaking a sweat, even in a tough economy? The answer might surprise you. In this video, I'll be sharing one of the least known money hacks of the rich and wealthy that you can use to afford nice things too. If you want to find out what it is, then keep watching. What's up guys, my name is Tito. I make videos on personal finance, saving and investing. If that sounds like something that you're into, then please, why don't you like this video by clicking on the like button and subscribe to this channel as well by clicking on the black subscribe button. Now, rich people have lots of expenses. They have, expensive rents to pay or properties to maintain. They've got loads of people on their payroll. They have kids in expensive schools. They have lots of memberships and subscriptions running in, exclusive clubs, associations, and societies. They've got lots of bills to pay. And contrary to what many of you may think, these expenses are not paid for exclusively from their paycheck from their jobs. No. Many of these things are often paid for with the profits from their savings and their investments. People's investments cover lots of their bills, and I'm not even talking about the capital, I'm talking about the profits from the capital or from the investment. For instance, the rent that a landlord typically receives from a tenant is around 10% of the value of the property. So if, for example, you owned a building worth 40 million Naira, the rent that you'd be receiving from your tenants would be around 4 million Naira a year, right? And that 4 million Naira could go a long way, or maybe even pay for your entire grocery bill in a whole year. Just from the profits, the capital or the initial investment is still there, i.e. the 40 million Naira building, and all things being equal, even that is appreciating in value every year. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Some of you that are in your teens, 20s, or 30s, you feel like you may not have enough money to make investments in tens of millions that can give you that kind of return or that kind of profit, right? But who's to say that smaller investments that give you the kinds of returns that can help you pay for your electricity bill, your gym membership, or maybe even put fuel in your car usually or regularly, who's to say that that isn't worthwhile as well? It is, right? And that's what I decided to do this year. You see, I subscribe to 3 streaming platforms every month because I have another YouTube channel where I review Nollywood movies and series, and in order to watch these movies and series, I need to be subscribed to the 3 main platforms, and that costs me 8,100 Naira a month or 97,200 Naira a year. That's a lot of money to be paying to be watching movies and series. But I thought to myself at the end of last year, why don't I take some of my idle funds in the bank and invest it in something or put it in a saving instrument that will give me the type of return on my investment or the type of interest to the tune of at least 97,200 Naira, which will be enough to cover my streaming subscriptions for the year. And my solution to this is Pillow. Pillow is a saving application that allows you to virtually save your funds in dollars while earning daily passive income. You can deposit in Naira and earn up to 14% annual interest on your deposits. So my goal is to save around 695,000 Naira in a year, because if I do this at an interest rate of 14%, that will give me the amount I need to cover my annual streaming subscription bill. Now, in order to do this, I need to save at least 1,900 Naira daily on Pillow or 13,300 Naira thereabout on Pillow every week. Once I can do this for 12 months, I would have reached my saving goal, and the interest from that saving is what I'll be able to use to pay for my streaming subscription bill. Now, let me show you guys how you can fund your Pillow account, as I fund mine with 13,315 Naira this week. Now, once you've opened the Pillow app, to fund your account, you click on Make Your First Deposit if it's your first time. Then you enter the amount you want to deposit. Then it will show you the exchange rate and how much your deposit will be in dollars. Next, select Bank for transfer. Next, you'll be shown a message saying, please send only from a full bank account, because if you don't, there may be charges associated with other third parties that you use to do the transfer, right? But I'm using my bank account, so I will click I understand. Next, it says that I must include a reference, and it's showing it on the screen there. I will write it down so that when I'm making the transfer, I can enter it. I've written it down. Now I click I understand. All right, so finally here are the details, and it shows me the account details that I meant to transfer the funds to, and it also shows me the reference memo to add when making the transfer. So after the transfer is done and I'm debited, I come back to the Pillow app and I click on I've made payment, and shortly after, the amount will reflect in my Pillow account. Since the interest rate is so attractive on Pillow, I could decide to save even more funds on the app and use the interest on that to pay for some other bills and utilities. Now, Pillow is Nigeria's #1 savings app. There are 0 charges on deposits and on withdrawals, and you get daily interest on your deposits. To get started with Pillow, all you need to do is to download it on your Apple or your Android device, fill in your details, and when you do, remember to use my referral code Tito in order to get $1 free of charge in your Pillow account. Now, I have to say at this point that this is not direct financial advice. As with anything that concerns investing or your money for that matter, be sure to do your own research. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to be a rock star by liking this video and clicking on that like button, and subscribe to this channel as well by clicking on the black subscribe button. Be sure to also check out Pillow's website, which is pillow.fund, and while you're there, if you do register, remember to use my referral code Tito in order to get $1 free of charge in your Pillow account. Thanks once again, guys. I will catch you in the next one. Take care.